In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use CapCut to enhance your video with a stunning lens flare overlay. This technique can add a polished cinematic feel to your project, making your video truly stand out. So let's dive in and explore how you can achieve this amazing effect. First, you'll need to import your lens flare overlay video file into CapCut. If you haven't yet selected a lens flare overlay, there are plenty of options available online, ranging from subtle flares to more dramatic effects. Save the overlay file to your device, then open CapCut and import it into your project. With CapCut's user-friendly interface, this should be a breeze. Once your lens flare overlay video is imported, place it directly above your main video on the timeline. This layering is crucial because it allows your overlay to interact correctly with the base footage. By dragging and dropping the overlay onto a timeline track above your main video, you'll ensure that the flare becomes visible when you adjust the blending settings. With the overlay positioned properly, it's time to adjust the blend mode. The blend mode is what will allow the lens flare to blend seamlessly with your main video, making it appear as a natural part of the footage. In this case, select either Screen or Lighten from the blending options. These modes are specifically designed to keep the brighter parts of the overlay video visible while allowing the darker areas to become transparent, creating the desired effect. Next, you'll want to resize and position the flare to suit your specific needs. Click on the overlay in the preview window and drag the corners to adjust its size. You might want the flare in a specific part of the frame, perhaps to simulate light from a window or to highlight a subject. Position the flare creatively to enhance your scene. Now let's make your flare as realistic as possible. Adjust the opacity and timing to achieve a cinematic glow that complements your footage. Lowering the opacity will reduce the intensity of the flare, making it less intrusive and more natural. Consider the timing as well. A long-lasting flare might not suit a quick scene, so trim the duration of the overlay to match the pacing of your video. And there you have it. With these steps, you can add a lens flare overlay to your video in CapCut, creating a professional and captivating result. Experiment with different overlays, blending modes, and positions to find the perfect fit for your project. With a little creativity and attention to detail, your video will have that extra touch of cinematic magic. Happy editing!